Good morning. Good morning. Today I'm going to make pesticide, organic pesticide. A friend of mine, Sandra, was asking me, am I 100% organic here? Almost, but pesticide, yes. We don't use any pesticides. Sometimes we use some fertilizer, but maybe later on we won't be doing that either. We'll be a 100%. So I mix up my own pesticide or insecticide. The main ingredient would be neem oil. You see neem oil? It's cold pressed and it comes from India. It's a little bit expensive, but it goes a long way. One little bottle like that will last you maybe the season, depending on how many times you have to spray it. So my mixture is for each 1 liter of warm water. I use warm water, and the washing up liquid helps the oil mix with the water, in case some people were wondering why. It also helps it stick to the leaves on the plant. But the oil would not difficulty mixing with cold water. So the water is slightly what we call tepid water. I will put for each liter I'll put 1 teaspoonful of neem oil and a half a teaspoon of washing liquid. So I have 2 liters in this at the moment. So for 2 liters I'll have 2 teaspoons of neem and 1 teaspoon of the washing up liquid. Now, so I'll get 1 teaspoon of neem, 2 teaspoons of neem, because I have 2 liters. For those in the US, 2 liters is a half a gallon. So you have a gallon, half a US gallon now, not a half a imperial gallon. They're different. So that's 2 teaspoons, and a little bit less than 1. Some people say a third of a teaspoon per liter, but a half was okay. So that would be 1 teaspoon of this. And what to do is I'm going to let the water come down onto the spoon so it gets washed. So I don't waste anything. And then I just put the cap on the top and pressurize it. I mix it before you pressurize it. The oil will mix with the water because of the washing liquid and the warm water. Some Naga down here, and some of them have aphids on them and some don't. Some of them have aphids on them and some don't. So maybe finer than that. Okay, so I'm ready to spray. This is Demonya, and I think there's some flowers on this one already. Yeah, look, there's 2 flowers. Actually, one little fruit there. One fruit just coming there. Demonya, Naga, they're one of the Nagas on it. It's a local one I got, so I don't know exactly where it came from, but all these hot chilies here are all from that. All my Carolina Reapers and all the Jolokia are down there. So anyway, I see flowers here as well. The Naga is Demonya, as far as I know. It looks like a Naga anyway, and that's just an ordinary bell pepper there. I've got new flowers coming up on these. That's how you mix your pesticide. If anybody wants to go totally organic, that's how you do it. Neem oil is organic, washing liquid is only washing liquid, it's not a chemical. So you could leave out, you could use ordinary soft soap if you were worried about it, but for me this works. It works the very same as the other ones. It doesn't affect the animals, or sorry, the insect. It doesn't. The butterflies, I don't think so. They'll still come along, but these are self-pollinating anyway, so they don't rely on the insect. Normally a little bit of a shake of the plant will pollinate the hot chilies. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe.